Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin, still not going anywhere. Still, you see the power of the rotation zone, cannot get above it. Still holding in this consolidation pattern. Right now, just reinforced this about 61.70 area right in here. You see the slow and all these candle bottoms. So that's going to be a very key level to watch for on a closing basis. And the other area still, I'd still be watching about 63.85. That would take you above the rotation zone, but also above this little ledge. And then we'd be watching, the next major level is about 6,500 with these tops and the declining 50, and then the flat out 200 with the 37.5 retracement about 6,600. Let's check in on that daily chart. Keep in mind you have the 8 coming down. So this, when it starts getting here, it's going to start pushing the price. So, and this is going to sound strange, either price is going to move or it's not at this point. A lot of times when we see price with the 8 pushing it, has a tendency to continue in the direction it's been going. So we're going to see if the 8 pushes the price down. Now, if the 8 keeps getting lower and it holds in consolidation, that is a good sign for bullish bets on Bitcoin. We still don't have a major bottoming pattern here yet. This might be forming a very sloppy double on a daily time frame. I said sloppy because we have a left-hand low. We need a turn-up candle, but this is some kind of right-hand low here, but the peak is here. I will map that out if we get to that point, but we're just not there yet. So really pay attention, especially above about the 64.50 level on a daily basis, because that could be a short-term bottom. That's a key level we will be watching for. Other than that, there just isn't much to do. We have the same levels to the downside, and we're just watching the rotation zone edge down, and we're going to trade accordingly. Switching over to Ethereum. Let me zoom in here a bit. You can see this double obviously didn't trigger, and now we're beyond the double zone. We're in the triple zone and push lower. So we can update our retracements and look for our next key levels. We're still going to leave the bigger picture levels in place right now. Next major level 170 and then 155.67. On any rally, first level resistance, you see this prior support here, now turning resistance with the declining 8, so we'll be watching right around 188 on any rally, and then if we get through there, next key level we'll be watching for is about 198 to 200 area there. Let's switch over to the daily chart. Again, we could only muster these little small green candles on any rally. Ethereum just very, very weak. We've just got to stand aside and wait for a strong bottoming pattern, and there just isn't one yet. So that's why you don't just rush in and try to call bottoms. You wait for a pattern to unfold, because this, you just, if you tried to go, oh, this is the bottom. No, we're wrong. This is the bottom. No, we're wrong. That's the danger in not letting the pattern unfold. Remember, we had our potential double. If I switch back here, this potential double right here, but we needed the close above this key high, which was a 208.37. That did not happen, so the bottoming pattern never triggered. That's why we just don't, I'm going to try to get in early and get a better price. Well, your better price would have turned into a worse price because the price kept going lower. So you got to wait for these bottoming patterns to trigger, and don't just try to call a bottom and hope, maybe I got the bottom this time, and then you lose more money. So just wait, be very patient, sit on your hands. I'd recommend sitting on your hands with both Ethereum and Bitcoin and most of the major cryptos right now until we get some strong reversal patterns. Otherwise, you're just gambling with your money, and there's no point in doing that. There will be reversal patterns, there will be rallies. We don't know how long they'll be lived. That's why, again, on any rally, we raise our stops if we got in with a good pattern. It's the only advice we have for you right now, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.